Today, we're diving into dealing with narcissists. We all know how challenging it can be, but don't worry. I've got 10 powerful strategies to baffle them and regain control. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Narcissists have an overwhelming sense of self-importance. Their manipulative tactics won't win. Narcissists make life difficult, but I've got valuable tips for you. Are you ready? Here are 10 strategies to baffle a narcissist and regain control. Number 1. Remain calm. Maintaining your composure is one of the most effective ways to baffle a narcissist. Narcissists thrive on emotional reactions and control. That usually explains why they hate when you maintain your composure. Narcissists often use manipulative tactics to gain power over others and feed their egos. They aim to provoke emotional reactions and manipulate your responses. By staying calm, you deny narcissists the satisfaction they seek and create an aura of stability they struggle to comprehend. This situation can leave narcissists feeling confused, frustrated, and unable to achieve their desired outcome. Number 2. Set boundaries. Establishing clear boundaries is crucial when dealing with a narcissist.
Do you remember the talk that we had about boundaries?
It is one of the most effective ways to baffle them. Narcissists are accustomed to having their needs and desires prioritized above others. Narcissists thrive on pushing limits and encroaching on personal space. Setting your boundaries pushes them to back off and disrupts the narcissist's sense of entitlement and control. Communicate your boundaries and consistently enforce them, leaving no room for manipulation. In this way, you can leave the narcissists feeling perplexed and frustrated as they struggle to assert dominance over you and refuses to comply with their wishes. Number 3. Avoid jargon and complexity. Narcissists often use complex language and twist words to confuse and control others. Communicate with simplicity and clarity to baffle them. Stick to straightforward language, leaving no room for narcissists' misinterpretation and manipulation. Communicating in clear, simple terms that anyone can understand undermines the narcissist's attempts to showcase their intellect. By avoiding jargon and complexities, individuals strip away the narcissist's opportunity to impress or confuse others. This action usually leaves narcissists exposed and unable to rely on their usual intimidation tactics. Number 4. Show empathy without surrendering. While narcissists lack empathy, demonstrating your empathy towards them can baffle them. However, it is essential not to let their vulnerability exploit your kindness. Displaying empathy while maintaining your stance reinforces your emotional strength and disrupts narcissists' manipulative tactics. Narcissists often expect others to cater to their needs and desires without consideration for anyone else's feelings. Hence, they will be frustrated with your unrelenting stance. You can also leave them confused and disarmed, as they cannot comprehend someone who empathizes without surrendering their autonomy. Number 5. Focus on facts. Narcissists distort reality to fit their narrative and diminish others' perspectives. Counter their tactics by relying on facts and concrete evidence. Presenting solid evidence dismantles their attempts to rewrite the truth. It also disables the narcissist's ability to manipulate the situation to their advantage. You can also expose narcissists' pretenses and falsehoods by focusing on evidence and avoiding subjective interpretations. You can expect narcissists to feel perplexed and frustrated as they struggle to maintain their preferred version of events in the face of objective reality. Number 6. Practice active listening. Narcissists crave attention and admiration. Engage in active listening, paying attention to their words and validating their emotions within reason. This behavior can momentarily baffle them, as they are not accustomed to genuine interest and may feel off balance. They often dismiss others' perspectives, interrupt, or redirect discussions back to themselves. However, when you actively listen by giving your full attention, seeking understanding, and validating the speaker's emotions, it disrupts the narcissist's need for constant validation and control. You can undermine the narcissist's attempts to steer the narrative solely in their favor by genuinely engaging in the conversation and valuing the speaker's thoughts and feelings. Number 7. Utilize humor. Humor can be a powerful tool in dealing with narcissists. Their inflated ego makes them susceptible to mockery and satire. Skillfully using humor can disarm them, leaving them momentarily confused and unable to retaliate effectively. Narcissists typically have a fragile ego and struggle to tolerate being the subject of jokes or light-hearted banter. This situation limits the narcissists to dictate the narrative and assert their dominance in the face of humor. Number 8. Avoid emotional blackmail. Narcissists often use manipulative tactics to guilt or coerce others into complying with their wishes. However, when you recognize and refuse to succumb to emotional blackmail, it disrupts the narcissist's ability to manipulate the situation. By setting firm boundaries and not allowing guilt or fear to sway your decisions, you deny the narcissist the power to manipulate their emotions for personal gain. As a result, narcissists will be left bewildered and frustrated. Number 9. Maintain independence. Maintaining independence can baffle narcissists because they seek dominance and control over others. Narcissists often expect people to be subservient to their desires and to prioritize their needs above their own. However, maintaining your independence and refusing to be overly reliant on the narcissist disrupts their desired power dynamic. You can challenge the narcissist's perceived authority by asserting your autonomy in making decisions based on your goals and values. This strategy can leave narcissists feeling confused and frustrated as they struggle to exert control over you. Number 10. Practice self-care. Lastly, prioritize your well-being. Narcissists thrive on weakening and draining others. Take care of yourself physically, emotionally, and mentally. The narcissist's desired dynamic usually gets disrupted when you prioritize your well-being, set boundaries, and engage in self-care activities. You can also assert their autonomy and establish that your needs matter by focusing on your mental, emotional, and physical health. This behavior usually leaves narcissists feeling threatened, as they cannot manipulate or control someone dedicated to self-care and prioritizing their well-being. Dealing with a narcissist can be daunting, but employing these 10 strategies can baffle them and hinder them from regaining control. Remember to stay calm, set boundaries, communicate early, and focus on facts. Utilize empathy without surrendering, practice active listening, and employ humor wisely. Avoid emotional blackmail, maintain your independence, and prioritize self-care. By implementing these strategies, you can navigate the narcissist's manipulative tactics and protect yourself from their toxic influence. Thanks for watching. Did you enjoy this video? If so, you should watch another intriguing video over here. Like this video and subscribe to this channel.